This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brady Den Blaker. Beautiful 55-plus condo in Lynden's Homestead community. Enjoy stunning unobstructed sunrises over Mount Baker and the Homestead Golf Course. This condo is bright and spacious with an open floor plan plus elevated ceilings and a wall of large west-facing windows for lots of natural light. Granite countertops, hardwood floors, stainless appliances, primary with ensuite and walk-in closet, walk-in pantry, AC, gas fireplace, wet bar, laundry room, plus your own private garage with ample storage. Amenities include 3 amazing common areas featuring full kitchens, bathrooms and patios, plus there's an exercise and workout space. Directly across the boulevard from Homestead Golf Course, fitness center and the Steakhouse restaurant. For more information, review the details below.